Hello, Stevie here. So I have this little book that I started as a little glue book thing for myself, and I was thinking of maybe starting to put some backgrounds down. Ain't sure if I'm in. Yes, I am. And let's do strips, maybe. Let's do green on green. Oh, that might work. And I have a board here that I can wipe off, so I don't need to be gluing on a magazine or anything. I can just do it right here. But I am going to try and get organized and do a video once a week of collaging and a video of junk journaling that are longer, and then do short videos of all my supplies that I have in my Etsy shop. Scraps glued over paper. I have a digital shop too. So I think that will go nicely. Alright. Now, this is bigger. I wonder where is my glue? Here it is. I'm going to put some wet glue on it. My formula. Stir it up here so it's not all too watery. And then I'm going to put some down, since it uses so many glue sticks. I'll just try to do it this way too and see. Probably could have used a little less glue. With the glue stick, I am getting it smoothed out. And then the edge still needs more on the edge. So I've been watching some collaging videos with Half-Ass Crafter and Relax Cut Glue. Oh, well, that didn't even line it up a little better here. There. Now, and the whole brayer thing, I wanted to try. I like it. Don't see any warples yet. The page itself this one's a little warply, and I think I didn't even use white glue with it. I don't remember. Okay, why not? Just put some dropped this on the floor. Okay, so I'm going to try a little less. And just do a one-page wonder. Let's get the corners. This is real. This. It definitely does seem to smooth down the glue pretty good. And little warples never hurt anything. It's a glue book. I'm just trying to make some backgrounds in here. Let's see, what do I got here? Got this. Grab your scraps and just to find something to glue on. Join in the fun. Any glue would do ya. Didn't want to use Fabric Fix on this because it's more expensive. So, and this is just my own little play with scraps. Since I sell collage scraps and junk journal paper scraps, I guess. So I thought, well, maybe I should be using them too to see how they work. And I just grabbed the iPad and started filming. I didn't really do and think about it. I do know that I want to start doing longer videos and doing the whole process of collaging and junk journals on my channel. Let's see, what do I have here? Oh, that. This one's just regular copy paper. You can kind of see through it, but if it's just covering that up, it's not a big deal. So let's do that. I don't think that was straight. I'm just tearing it. The straight doesn't matter. Not really. Trying not to let straight matter, because I've just been putting these packets together and bundles and things, and it's like, I want to try collaging. So I may do it on the book page itself. Let's try that. Let's just move this around, because I think this is going to be it. Let's see how many. About 10 minutes, I think, for the first video of this. Showing you my randomness and put the lid on this. And how you can just sit down, spend about 10 minutes doing a background page. You don't really have to think about it yet until you start collaging magazine pieces and stuff that I have so many of, and I just really want to do this. I got life's happening around here, things, so I gotta get up here and do these when I can. A little piece of happening here. Okay, yeah, got some backgrounds, and I'll probably go ahead and use these scraps up and get the rest of the book with the backgrounds, but I just wanted to show the process of starting a collage glue book. And this, I didn't get all the way. Let's see. Oh, look at that. I want to put that right there. Ugh. Stuck my hand in glue. There. That covers up the little bit of print words. It's not. And see, in the next video, I'll have to see if this glue worked. Because it looks like, let's see. Oh, don't forget to check out my description, because I've got shops and what I'm all about in that. So thank you for watching. I hope you will like, subscribe, and share my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button in case my internet's not working and I can't be consistent. But I'm trying. Bye.